Step 1 is we take food in each of our hands and we slowly lure our dog in between the legs. We're not worried about speed right now. We want our dog to understand this concept. Now they're comfortable walking underneath your feet. You're going to do 1 rep at a time, slowly fading this lure away. We can do 2 reps and continue to build. Our goal is to slowly fade this lure away. You can see how I'm still putting my hands down and kind of guiding, giving him a target where to go to. But the end result should look like this. No food in my hands, and I can send him in between my legs from any angle. Now that they understand, try to go faster.